Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock POCO F7 Pro without the password. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two methods how you can perform this action by yourself. So I'm gonna show you both of them, but in the beginning I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and it's also non-ethical, so have that in mind. Okay, but for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked and we know the password, but for the first method you can basically perform it from any other device, so it's up to you. So the first method is by using Google Find My Device, so simply open up your browser, just like I did. Okay, and simply type Find My Device. It doesn't need to be an app, but if you want you can use it. I'm gonna use it from the browser. So let's select the first option and now let's click on sign in. So now in here you need to basically sign in into your Google account and click on continue. So now I need to type my password, so that's what I'm gonna do now, so give me a second. Alright, almost done. Okay, now as you can see we have this map now and we have my devices, and as you can see the first one is this device. It isn't named the POCO F7 Pro, but you can see that it is right in here under this strange name. So let's click on it. Let's click on Find My Device. Below you can also change the device name if you want. Okay, and now ways to use Find My Device. Make sure it's enabled also right in here. And now you need to click on the Find My Device app or Find My Device web. But also please make sure that you are logged into the same Google account that you made for the setup. So you will make sure that your phone is here available. Okay. So now let's select the phone. And we have this option, factory reset device. So we want to click on it. You can also see the information right here that all of the data will be erased permanently from this phone. And after the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device. And if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online. So you need to have that in mind. Then simply click on next and follow the instruction on the screen. Okay, so that was the first method. And now the second one. So now let's say that we don't remember our password. Well, for now I don't have the lock screen set, but it doesn't matter. And now what to do? We need to simply first turn off our phone. So let's click on the power button and the volume up button at the same time. That's how we launch the power menu. And now let's drag this white circle into the power off and now release our finger. Okay, so for the second method, we're gonna use the recovery mode, and from there we will be able to reset our phone also. So now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two button combination, which is by holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's perform this action, and also when the POCO logo will appear on the screen, we can release the finger from the power button, but to make sure that we will enter the recovery mode, we will be holding the volume up still. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's keep on holding. Okay, the POCO logo appeared. We can release the finger from the power button, but let's keep on holding the volume up. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode, as you can see. And now to move around this menu, we use the volume keys. You can also see the instruction on the bottom of the screen. So now we need to select wipe data, confirm by clicking the power button, again wipe all data, select confirm, and you can also see on top that this cannot be undone, so have that in mind. Also, if you are lost from losing all of your data, you can have a backup, you can create it, if you have access to the phone of course. And if you don't know how to create it, also on our channel we have a bunch of videos how to create such a backup, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, and now we need to click on confirm, now the process has started, as you can see. So now we need to wait, and data wiped successfully. Okay, so click on back to main menu. Now let's select the reboot, and now reboot the system. Okay, so now the phone will automatically turn on back again within a few seconds. And now all you need to do basically is to set up your phone as a brand new. And now also there might be a third option how you can deal with your locked phone. You can try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and then look for help. So you can go into the Xiaomi center and then describe your problem to some of the employees. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.